Hi, Bobcat parents. It's Mrs. Smith. Thank you for an amazing first 2 days of school. I hope you have felt the energy and just how happy we are to have our students back with us, whether it's virtual or face to face. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about the FCS COVID communication plan that was released today. I wanted to go through this plan with you and then just answer any questions you had, hopefully through this presentation. So this is the copy of the COVID communication plan from Forsyth County Schools. And here, either as a staff member or if your student receives a COVID-19 diagnosis, then we really need for you to let us know. My email address, as well as Nurse Angie's email address, is located here as well as on our website. If you are to receive a positive COVID-19 diagnosis after school hours, and this includes the weekends, we are going to be available pretty much 24 hours a day now. If you would please email either me or the assistant principals or all three of us, we would greatly appreciate that. We really need to know this information as soon as possible. So we are then responsible for submitting any positive test names to the Georgia Department of Public Health, or the DHP. Here at school, if a child receives a positive diagnosis, and we would go then to contact tracing, and direct exposure is defined as less than 6 feet for 15 or more consecutive minutes. If a student has had direct exposure, they will be required to stay home and they will get further guidance from the Department of Public Health. So we're going to be communicating with you two different ways. If a child has had direct exposure to someone that tested positive for COVID-19, you are going to receive the following email, and this is a sample of the email that you will get. It will let you know that your child must stay home until the DHP contacts you and provides further guidance before your child can return to school. This will be through an email, and this is temporary, and your child will then be switched over to virtual learning, and you'll get more information from us about that. Also, you could receive an email that just says that your child has had a positive diagnosis in their classroom, but you do not need to quarantine. And we are just letting you know that there has been a positive diagnosis in that classroom. Our method of communication will be through email. We will be sending these emails out 3 times a day. It's going to be between the hours of 5 and 10 p.m. I believe it's at 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock, and another one at 9 o'clock, and then also at 6 a.m. every morning. So it's very important that your parent portal information is updated and that you have all correct email addresses in parent portal. So we really need for you to go in and check that information, and here's the link for you to do that. You can also use the link at the bottom of this page at the Restart Forsyth link to see how many positive cases are in the school, and that will be posted every evening by 6 p.m. If a decision is made to close down a classroom or larger, that could be a grade level or the school, the parent or guardian will receive a parent portal campus messenger email, and also in your inbox messages in IC as well as an email. Due to privacy laws, we cannot share any information about the testing with you, but this is how we will communicate with you. There is a really detailed plan on the Forsyth County website under Restart Forsyth. This is just a kind of a quick guide communication plan for you of exactly what will happen when a student tests positive. We will then notify the Department of Public Health. They will then notify those students who have had direct exposure. We will flip any of those students to virtual learning so that our kids do not lose any academic learning. And then we will share additional information with you. And then we will continue to practice our daily preventative habits. We appreciate the partnership with you. We are working really hard here at Brookwood to make it an amazing and safe year. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we will do our very best to find you the answers. I hope you have an amazing weekend and thank you for all you do. Go be awesome.